Good morning, students. Today, before starting the class, I want to say one or two quotes before you, and that quotes may help you to stay positive and to stay cheerful. Okay? We may encounter many defeats, but we must not be defeated. When you change the quality of your thinking, you change the quality of your life. Just as the positive words can make someone smile. So in this COVID-19, we all face a lot of difficulties by staying at home. We are not moving out, we are not going anywhere, we are not meeting with any of the people, any of the friends. But it is not for that we are maintaining the distance from there. Yes, the social distancing we are following, because only through this we can avoid this coronavirus. Okay, so you have to think positive, and you are not supposed to be pessimistic, because the pessimistic sees difficulty in every opportunity. The optimistic sees opportunity in every difficulty. Okay, so be positive and be cheerful. Okay, so let us move to our today's topic, which is array slicing. Array slicing, you have heard this slicing term before. Array slicing in the list slicing. So we had already studied list slicing in 11th standard. So this array slicing, what is array slicing? Actually, slicing is what? A part of something. So array slicing means when we are extracting some range of elements through the original array, then it is known as array slicing. What? When we will extract some range of elements from the original array, then it is known as array slicing. Here also array slicing is defined. Array slicing refers to the process of extracting a subset of elements, means the range of elements, from an existing array and returning the result as another array. That means when we will extract the array, subset of arrays, then that array, subset of elements, then that elements will also come in the form of array. So slicing of NumPy array elements is similar to slicing of list elements. I have told earlier that what you have done in list slicing, the same way we will do in array slicing. List slicing is same as we will do in 1D array slicing. Both are same. Only the different thing is that what we do in 2D slicing, that will be differ from the list slicing. So it is specified by, means the list array slicing is defined or specified by using the colon operator. Colon operator, as I have written here, with a from and to index before and after the column respectively. So we will be using the colon for extracting the elements when we will do the array slicing. And the syntax is what? You will write first of all data. Data is what? The array name, and then square bracket we will be writing the column index or the row index over here, as well as the colon, and next is 2. Here also we can write the column index. So in this way we will do the array slicing. So now we will move how we will do array slicing in 1D array. This is the next topic that we will see. So let's move to slicing in 1D array. Slicing in 1D array, the syntax we need to follow is as we did in the list slicing. Array name, under the square bracket, start, colon, stop, colon, step. When start, step values are not specified. It means start and step, no value is provided here, then Python will assume their default value as, means automatically the Python will take the value, start value as 0, stop value as dimension size or till the last element, the last index it will be taking, and step value by default will be 1. Once again, when you will not provide start, stop and step value, then start value will default take the value as 0. Stop will be the dimension side or the last till the last element of the array, and step value will be taken as by default 1. So let us move by one example which is given here. It is in 1D array. So the array which is creating is of 1D. Data equal to np.array 52739. Data is the name of the array, and using the array function, one ND array is creating. Print data. We want to find the result of this array, which consists of slicing. Under the square bracket, nothing is mentioned. Neither the start value nor the stop as well as step. So what will be the result? Yes. It extracts the slice from start to end. The comment line is given for this particular print statement is, it extracts the slice from start to end. Start to end means it will start extracting the elements of the array from the first index till the last one. Means the whole array element will return as an output. When the whole array element will return, when neither you provide the start value nor the stop value, isn't it? So the whole array element will return under the square bracket. So this is what? Returning the element as an array. So the subset of value, here we are not extracting any two number in between or this particular range or the subset of array. The whole element is returning, but through the slicing. The second output is for data 1:3. 1:3, what does it mean? Data is what? The name of the array. 1:3 is, as a comment line, it extracts from first position. It extracts from first position to the fourth position. Why it is fourth? Because third element represents the fourth one, because the array index will start with 0. So it will start from first position to the fourth position. At the same time, excluding the fourth position elements, and it will not include the last index value. That is 1:3 means starting from first till the second index value. Third index value will be skipped. It will be less than 1. Okay. So you just see here, it is 0, 1, 2, 3 for the index value, and you are returning the slices as 1:3. So 1 is what? 2. Then 7. And 3 is what? The third element. Means the third index value will be 3. So which value will be returning? Till 1 to 2. That is 2 and 7. So 2, 7 is the output. As you have done in list also. List slicing also you have done the same way. So here also the same way. 1:3 means 1 starting from first index, then 2, and third index will not be counted. So the output will be 2 and 7. Now the next example you see, print data -2:. -2 here is the negative indexing. As I told in the previous class that negative indexing is also possible in array. -1, -2. So -2, which element is there? 3. So it will start from extracting the element from second last. Second last is which one? This 3. Because it is the index, -2 is the index for this 3 till end. So it will start from here till the end, till the last element. So the output has come as 3 and 9. Now we will see the next one, that is print data ::2. Here 2 is what? Just look at the syntax. Start no any value is specified, stop, no value is given, and this is the step value. So when you will write print data colon colon 2, it means it will start from the first element till the last element, and in between the step value is 2. So what will be the output? The output is, I have not written it here. Okay, you just tell me what will be the output. Yes, it will start with the first one, means 5. The next element will be, alternate element will be there, means 1. First one is returned, first one value has returned, then this will not be returned, next element will be 7, and afterwards next will be 9. So the output for this colon colon 2 means it will return 579. So 579 is what? Again the another array, that is the, that returns the subset of array in the form of array. Next stage, where I have provided all 3 values, start, stop and step, starting with 1 first index till the 6th one, means less than 1. 6 minus 1 is what? 5, and step value is 2. So what will be the output? 1 colon 6 colon 2. So first index is what? That is 2. So the output will be 2. First one, it will move till the 6th one. So count it, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Or you can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. Means the whole value till the last element it will return. So it will return the index value 1, which is 2. Then after 2 it is 3. And after 3 no value will be there. So no value is going to return. So in this way we will do the slicing in 1D array. We will move next to slicing in 2D array. Now we will move to slicing in 2D array. First of all, you see the syntax. Look at the syntax. Array name. Under the square bracket, start, stop, step, as we did earlier in 1D. Then after the comma, and again start, stop and step. That is the first start, stop, step is the row slicing parameter. After the comma, the column slicing parameter, because it is the 2D array. So first of all we will provide the rows element, and afterwards, after the comma, we will provide the column slicing. So just see the example first. A equal to np dot array 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. These were the 2D array. Okay, so 2D array I have created, as you can see here, 1 2 3 4 the first row, 5 6 7 8 the second row, and 9 10 11 12 is the third row. Indexing also written 0, 0th row, first row, first and the second one, and the 0th column, first column, second and third one. Okay, now I have written one array slicing based on 2D as b equal to. We are storing the slicing into the another array, say b. So b equal to a. A is what? This array element, and we are writing the first of all before the comma, it is the row slicing. 1 colon 2 comma 0 colon 4. 1 colon 2, 1 colon 2. 2 will be excluded over there. So only the second rows element. So using the comment line written contains second row. And 0 colon 4 starting with 0 till 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. So 0 to 3. Okay. So the whole column, but the row is only the first. So only the second row. So it contains second row and all the columns slicing. The subset of array which will return will be all column, 0th column, first, second and third index column, and which row? The first row. First row, how you will recognize? because it is written 1 colon 2. 2 less. 2 will not be included. So 1 colon 1 you can say like that. So only the second row element will extract, because 0 colon 4 means all the column. So this is the column. 5 is in the first column, 6 is in the second, 7 is in the third column, and 8 is in the fourth column. So the output will be 5, 6, 7, 8, because it is 2D array. So the double square will appear in the output. Next example is B equal to A 1 colon 2 comma 1 colon 2. In both the example, here also and in this also, step value is skipped because step value is not necessary to give, as I said earlier. So here 1 colon 2 is only the start value, stop value, start value, stop value of rows and column respectively. So 1 colon 2 means 1 colon 2. It means 2 will be not included, so only the second row. And column also 1 colon 2. So 2 will not be included. Start with 1, so this will not be included. So the second row and the second column. So it extract the elements from the second row and second column, what I gave as a comment line. Okay, so 1 colon 2 comma 1 colon 2 means second row, here second column. So the output will be second row. Just look here, second row is this one and second column is this one. So which element you are extracting? Second rows 1 to 2, not whole, only 1 to 2, that is start with 1. This will not be included. So here in the row way, it will be in the row indexing, it will be 6, and the column 1 colon 2, start with 1, not included 2. So only the 6 will return. So the output will be 6 under the double square bracket. So this is how we will slice in the 2D array. Next example is A colon 2 and comma 0 colon 2. It is what? First and second row and column. Nothing is mentioned. It means it start with 0 by default. So 0 colon 2, it means 0 colon 2. So 0 colon 2 means what? 0 colon 2. 2 will not be included, means 0 colon 2 means this 0 starting with the first row as well as second row. It means starting with 0, that is the first row, and 1, which is the second row. So in the row first as well as second both row, look at the column 0 colon 2. 0 means first column, 1 means second column. 2 will not be included. So here in this particular array slicing in 2D, the second row as well as the second column will be extracted. So what will be the element which will extract? 0 colon 2, just check it here. 0 colon 2 is what? 1, 2, 5, 6. If you will see the whole the array, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It means 0 and 1 whole row. So 0 and 1 is what? The first row whole and the second row whole. But at the same time you need to see the column indexing, that which column, and the column is also 1 and 2. So column is also 1 and 2. Why it is 1 and 2? Because 0 colon 2. So 0 and 1. So the output is 1, 2, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 5, 6. In whatever format it is given, in that only representation it will return under the square bracket. So more example is there in 2D array that we will see. Next example is B equal to A colon 2 comma 1 colon 3. In this example, the row indexing is given colon 2. Colon 2 is what? 0 and 1. 2 will be excluded. Column indexing is given 1 colon 3. Start with 1. then 2, 3 will be excluded. What does it mean? It means that first and second row and column is second and third, because we start with 1, that is the second column. So in that way, when you will write this very slicing, then you will take the result output, then the output will be 2, 3, 6, 7. How 2, 3, 6, 7? First and second row. This is the first row and this is the second row. Column is first column and the second column. So 2, 3 is in the first and second column, and 6 and 7 again is the first and second column. But why this? Because row indexing is given as 0 as well as first row. So the output has come 2, 3, 6, 7. Next is B equal to A colon comma 0. It means that all elements of 0 column. Nothing is specified as an start index. That means all, that too the row index means all rows. And which column? 0 column. So all rows, 0 column. What does it mean? That means all the 0 column element will return. So 1, 5, 9. The another way is, if we will write A 0 comma colon, just reverse, we are reversing this slicing. Here I am writing 0 and then after colon. What does it mean? It means the 0 row and all column. So 0 row and all column contains the element 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 will come as an output. Next example is very interesting. Let's look at here. B equal to colon colon minus 1. Colon colon minus 1 means start index is not given, stop is also not given, and step value is negative. Whenever the negative value is given is in the step value, it means the array will reverse, whether it is a 1D array or 2D array. When step value is negative, then the array will reverse. So row indexing all the rows but in reverse order, and here also all the column in reverse order. So all elements will be in reverse order. So print B, when you will take the output for this colon colon minus 1 and colon colon minus 1 row as well as column indexing, just look at here the output. Here, start from here till here. Output will start 12, 11, 10, 9. Just look at the original array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the whole array will reverse. When you will reverse the array, then array will reverse. The last row will become the first row. That too, the element will also get, whichever will be the last index will become the first index. So here 12, 11, 10, 9 will come as a first row. Second will be the second one because 3 row is there. So 8, 7, 6, 5 and the next is 4, 3, 2, 1. So this will be the output for this colon colon minus 1 comma colon colon minus 1. So in this way we will do the slicing in 2D array. I hope you all got the points, and whatever the syntax is given, only the thing is that you need to follow the syntax, and the example which I had shown, please practice in the system, and that too note down in the copy as well as write the output also in the copy and practice it. Thank you.